In the month of August, we are reminded of Buwan ng Wika. These celebrations in schools are usually showcasing various Filipino costumes representing our Filipino tradition and culture. Back then, these costumes were just regular attire of our ancestors, but nowadays, these are seen occasionally. During my daughter's preschool years, I paid a friend who tailored her costumes or gowns. When I already have my portable sewing machine, I've made my kids' gowns and costumes for Buwan ng Wika, birthday attires, or any school events. This video shows my very first DIY Filipiniana costume project, but I am not into vlogging yet, the times I only have pictures to show. After measuring the height from waist to heels, get your fabric and make a circle skirt. Link of my other vlog showing how to do the circle skirt is in the description box. Next, sew the seams and hems. Then, decorate it with your preferred embellishments. Now for the bodies, here is what I've made. Assemble the pieces together. Make 3 pairs of loops at both ends. Attach the ruffles, and done! I purposely make this crisscross style for the top because the gowns I've made are for rental, so hopefully it will still fit to the next user. For now, I still don't know how to sew these butterfly sleeves, so I paid someone again to do it. The accessories are hair dress, which I bought from Broadway Gems, and this mesh umbrella that I made 2 years ago using a soft tool and a cute umbrella. I unlocked the top cap of the umbrella to get the original printed cloth cover from the wire. Next, replace with a soft tool over the umbrella wire. Cut a hole in the middle of the soft tool to fit the main pole of the umbrella, then cover it with its top cap. Sew or glue the umbrella wire to the cloth. Cut the excess cloth following the shape of the umbrella and add some ruffles for a chic and vintage look. And there you have it! By the way, we have recycled this costume once during their Sinulog festival. My daughter is chosen as the Sinulog queen, so I just added more decorations and accessories to this costume. I borrowed wings from a neighbor and reused the headdress from her Yuno costume. Link of the headdress video tutorial in the description box. As usual, thank you for watching and please subscribe.